ChatControl is one of the longest updated Minecraft plugin for management of chat. And since its inception in 2013, more than 11 years ago, ChatControl has received almost non-stop monthly updates. Today, we're going to be having a look at the brand new ChatControl 11, and I'm going to be diving deep into what's changed and presenting you all the new exciting features and looking over the main components of the plugin. If you've used ChatControl before, the migration is made automatic, but make sure to read the logs in the console just in case you need to take some action. Now, the only thing that is not migrated is the language files, simply because the format is completely different between the 10th and the 11th version. To get the new language file, simply go in the game, type in /chatcontrol dump locale, and the new folder called lang will appear, in which a new JSON file will be made, and you can simply edit that as usual. Good news if you used ChatControl before, because we increased the performance of the heart of ChatControl, that is the formatter, by up to 3% depending on how you used it. Now, if you are new, formats are simple ways to simply format your chat, and they're completely modular. For example, if you enable channels in settings.yml, and let's say we have the standard channel, you can link the channel-standard format, which will be used every time somebody sends a message, and then you can edit this format in the formats folder in the same named file. Now, inside this file, you can make multiple format parts. Each part is simply a part of what will appear on the screen, and each part can have different interactive components such as hover or click events. Each part can also be shown or hidden depending on different conditions for server and each receiver. Now, this is where it becomes very interesting, because not only they support JavaScript, but we also managed to add full proxy support. You can also plug and play mini message tags now inside each format part, something that was not available before, which means you can use gradients and even multi-step gradients everywhere now. ChatControl also supports JavaScript variables. If you are super pro, you can literally code a plugin within this plugin. And good news, because mini message has also came to JavaScript. And the plugin will hook into Discord and Placeholder API. And if you use Items Adder, we made it so you can even link emojis between your Discord and the game chats, including so many other plugins that we support. The full link is available at our Wikipedia, which I'm going to leave a link to in the video description. Now, let's talk about the rule system. The rule system is mostly kept unchanged. And if you're new, the rule system is a very simple way to manage your chat. So the format will change how it looks. The rules will listen to it and can perform certain actions. This is a custom language that we invented to help you catch different words or phrases in the chat, commands, books, signs, anvil, and many other places, and run customizable actions. For example, prevent swears. For example, prevent ads, or even create your own custom bots. And you can catch a swear word, you can alert a staff on your network and Discord, you can replace the message with an interactive censoring word, and many other different actions. Each of these actions, called operator, now also supports mini message tags, which opens a whole new world for making interactive chats or commands. And ChatControl includes hundreds of useful systems. We have, as I mentioned, full Discord and Velocity and Bungee Cord integration. You can link any channel to another server on your proxy or your Discord. You can even make party channels and link players in the same town, faction, or a plot, among many other plugins we support. ChatControl comes with a robust logger, so you can view past player actions easily. For example, books they wrote, signs they placed, items they renamed, commands they ran, and even mails they've sent. And ChatControl comes with so many commands, which I'm going to show you right now. I will not make this video half an hour long, so I'm going to leave a link to our Wikipedia where you can see all the commands that we have. There is really just so much stuff that the only way I can explain all of that is I'm going to leave a link to both the changelog for ChatControl 11 and a link to Wikipedia where you can simply review every feature in depth and learn more about how to use ChatControl in the video description. Each feature we have is fully documented. If you've never used this before, do not feel overwhelmed. We've disabled everything by default, so you can only get the plugin, place it, install it normally. Please, for the love of God, do not reload or restart your server. Just do a full stop and then start it again. And because everything is disabled by default, you can only turn on those features that you actually need. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this new video editing style, and it's been a pleasure working on this project still after 11 years. I hope that you enjoyed all the work and all the progress that we're putting in. I can't wait to fully unleash the power of ChatControl to you. I'm going to leave all the links below as promised, and I will see you in the next video. Give a nice thumbs up if you enjoy the coding videos on this channel. We have over 60. If you want to learn how to code, they are all free on this channel, and they're brand new. I made them last year, this year. And without any further ado, I will see you in the next one. Take care.